The Knowledge Network on Climate Assemblies has produced a new briefing on how public administrations can follow up to the recommendations of climate assemblies. We're really surprised to find that there is no guidance out there, so we're delighted to offer this to the community. Almost all the resources, energy and focus of commissioners, of practitioners, of researchers is focused on the actual organisation of the assembly itself, and not enough is put into what's going to happen afterwards. And our briefing focuses on how best a public administration can actually organise itself, how it can put together policy teams, how it can involve citizens, how it can involve stakeholders in taking forward those recommendations and making sure that they're seriously considered within the policy process. We recommend this briefing to you, and you can find it on our website. Sign up to our newsletter. Join us if you haven't done already.